Whether it's your first or your 5,000th time launching a boat, it's never been made easier than with the bar catch. They come factory fitted to every bar crusher boat, and it's a very simple process to use for both launching and retrieval. If I break it down, it's about 3 steps. So first of all, when we get to the ramp, the bar catch will be down just like this, and this strap is at the front. What we do once the boat's in the water, it's a nice sort of safety aspect, because if anything did go wrong, not that it will, the boat's going to slide off into the water and not onto the ramp. Once we get the boat to this position, quite simply, you can undo the shackle on your safety chain, put the bolt back in like that, right? And then from this point, we're going to get this strap and we're going to move it from the front to the back of the bar catch. And now we've engaged it. It's pulled up, and this crossbar here is going to hook onto that piece right there when the boat slides back. From this point, I'll just come forward, get the winch, pull that up into neutral, do about 3 winds like that, lock the winch back off because we want the rope to stop if it needs to be. And then from here, you can give the boat a bit of a jiggle and a wriggle like that. And as you can see, the weight of the boat is on that hook and that crossbar right there. From this point, I'll get this strap and we pull that back to the front and hook it on there, because once the boat comes off, the bar catch is going to pull down and the boat will slide off. I can now unhook the winch strap. So at this point here, we're ready to launch. If you're on your own, it's when you'd climb up over the boat into the cabin and the steering wheel. But if you've got your mate with you, it's at this point he'll just drive her forward like this. This strap's going to pull the boat catch down and the boat will be free. Go for it, Pete. So if you haven't already done it, now is the time to hook that onto there. The bar catch pops up and Pete's ready to drive the boat on. Boating, launching and retrieving made just so easy. From this point, you can hook that on there, get your winch strap, hook that onto the boat, like so, wind that up, and then as we pull that up, the bar catch drops down, and it makes it so easy to now put your safety chain on. And then you're ready to jump in the car, pull the boat out of the water, unpack the boat, get it ready for towing out of everyone's way.